So.
Okay, Charlie, you want to try?
Neil, you know TRLY is outside, so maybe people will WINDO. Like right now.
Over here, Charlie.
Right.
Yep, that's the one.
What happened to Uncle Leo? We better go check it out. Go check his finger. I think he got his finger. Good timing.
You want Rylan to do it?
No,
Stand back. Whoa! Let's see if we can get it out of there.
Did you guys go to your parents' day?
What?
We did.
Oh, you got
The Charlies. Yesterday morning, but he didn't end up going. He was feeling good.
No.
And then my parents and sister and brother and James came over and just hung out for a little bit. Whoa, that was a ton of guacamole, kid. You really like guacamole, don't you? We need to get you a napkin. I think it's pretty cool, Neil. Come here, with you. I can't believe it works so good. Oh, Hudson's even following it. Whoa. All right, don't touch it. Oh. Book. Charlie.
There's only like 15
Charlie, come here.
bucks.
Here's another chip for you.
15
How
bucks
much
for
was
hours
it?
of fun.
Hours of fun.
Oh, come here. You got more. That's actually really good. I would have guessed like 40 or 50. Okay. He wants to do half and then you got one right here. I will find you. Charlie, come here.
Oh, look at you.
Rai. Did you show Charlie your gardening glove? Here's one. The Mickey's supposed to go on the outside, right? Mm-hmm.
The outside like this.
Come here, eat this chip, kiddo.
Oh.
You did not.
Put him on the bus stop with that little can for change.
We need to. Wait, is I'm like, what kid ever? He's just so like dramatic.
There's
opposite
one for
from
you.
Riley.
You want the
Riley
purple one?
when he was getting a tooth,
Okay.
he could help for us.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna.
What's up, Charlie?
But it's a little dangerous though because now I'm like, oh, I could have it.
I'm gonna win that.
Yeah, right.
Are you?
It's not, yeah, right.
Later, okay? Put them in your bag. Okay.
Charlie, take your bag with you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Woo, doggy.
Get that loot.
Did we do all 48?
I don't know.
Holy cow. We had 21. She only got 20 this morning. That's
Job for
nice
kitty,
of
hey,
you
cat.
guys.
Do you see more eggs? You want to go get some more eggs? I see some over there.
Zoning out thing. I don't know what.
Do you see that yellow?
You pick those ones up over there. There's them over there.
Go get more, girl.
Oh, I see.
See if you can find the ones that you colored.
That's
There's
right.
one right there. That's one of the ones that you colored with Grandy.
They go, really?
Is there chocolate in it? Forget it.
Chocolate. No.
Look, get it, kid. You gotta be gentle with that one. It's right in the All right. It's very nice of you.
She's like, here, Riley.
Good job.
We didn't really get presents.
Want to finish Easter eggs and then
Easter
baskets?
I know.
We did.
You all done? Yeah.
Okay, good job.
Here's yours. Here's yours.
Hey, Hudson.
Oh, and that one too?
Beep, 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 beep. Oh, I love that plastic. Is that made in Mexico? Does it have lead in
Probably.
it?
I'm sure it does.
That's another egg.
You know what? It's amazing with your second child how you're like, eh.
Whatever.